Hello everyone, my name is Neil from TopFX, and in this video, follow-up video of incorporating or inserting a technical analysis indicator, I would show you a couple of ways to customize your tech indicator. So first, let's add a tech indicator. I'm gonna randomly choose one, awesome oscillator. Now, there are two ways of customizing it. Once you decided and click enter on the prefer indicator, the window would open, as you can see, and then from there you can customize it according to your liking. Let's assume that you didn't from here and you clicked OK. Now, as you can see, the indicator is inserted. Now, where the name of the indicator exists, there are three parallel lines, as you can see. If I hover my mouse and click on it, the same window appears where you can customize your indicator. Now let's add another one so you can see again the process. How is it done? I hover my mouse over F. In this case, I'm gonna go on volume and I'm just gonna do money flow index again randomly. Now here, again, the same window opened up. I'm gonna customize the color of the line. I'm gonna make it bright cream yellow. And then I click OK. And as you can see, the new indicator appeared with the color yellow line. And this is it. Feel free to ask any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.